Me make Kumasi because me take Kumasi. You see, NPP when they were in power, let me confess, most of these young entrepreneurs and they were doing well. And example, Unij fashion. Unij had a lot of support from the NPP administration.
Alright, I'm for the local artists na higher Ghana Sim TV. You best say, you best subscribe to the channel and no for my drink cerebral our comment section. Nyame shall be. Abusia, Nana do danko akufado, ni nyame no. Juma papa. Abusia, NDC Sammyba. Obia nim Sammyba ewo internet na so. Or ye campaign the more ding ma NDC papa. Ene obe confess or say. Nana do danko akufado eba emobu mo a ye sponsor mo as na say ye push mo Nana do ye bi papa. Abusia, or see compared what Nana do danko akufado has done for the youth compared to what John Dramani Mahama is doing now. We say Nanado aye juma papa. Abuja e ma me semu mma yenko na yenko tie dia. Sami NDC Sammyba or kan fa Nanado danko akufado na Nanado danko akufado nyame de still egusu eye juma na egusu etua mfukofoka. Abuja mma yenko na embra na ye ba ye betras nyame shara bibi.
Abuja for you see President Mahama he takes delight in bringing up, young entrepreneurs. And this is a proper test to this administration that most of the young entrepreneurs are not in Accra alone. Yes, most of the young entrepreneurs are doing well at the other parts of the country. Being in Tamale, being in Takrade, being in Takwa, and other parts and the sections of the country. And me make Kumasi because me take Kumasi. You see, NPP when they were in power, let me confess, most of these young entrepreneurs and they were doing well. And example, Unij fashion. Unij had a lot of support from the NPP administration, and the Unij won collaborate uncountable. And President Mahama, you will Kumasi young entrepreneurs who are also doing well. That they need the government support and dedicated funding so that they can expand their territories. Because the government alone cannot, employ all the youth. The unemployment in the world system is so huge. There is this one guy, a fashion designer, a friend of Mark J Fashions. He's in Tafo, Mark J. He's doing very, very well. Or one collar close to 70. Or no say na buy it me so no must support no. No a fan collar be a cajon. No a tea unemployment so. There is this one guy, Adam's Kitchen. He's doing fantastic. Me, I've been to Adam's Kitchens, whatever. Food factory before. Makoko. And the whole Ghana. If say a food factory will produce 2,000 plates of rice per hour, just an hour. That's Adam Kitchen. Young guy, very young, energetic guy. Who pass Google, just search who is Adam's Kitchen. Very young guy. Our work is close to 300. So imagine some more uplifted such a young, visionary young guy. He is just a young guy, a young boy, doing this wonderful work in Kumasi. It will lift you or more. On betting I employ Kolani be brave. No matter unemployment, no so. Ye be a police forms, you be a go to police in soldier. It shouldn't be so. Madam Wasi.
And Kodewu, and Pennyfo, yenya kidney problems. Yenya yan chain 2 years. And I yan chain kakran sana galamseno. Nana Kufado buy 2017 and some trouble for your chassis at the press at one so. Check the date. A timer in some trouble for chassis the press at 2. Nanado Danko Kufato. Way back 2017. Now we yan 6 months in po. And some trouble for Nina Kabomu say ye person of fixing and okasa or ye prepared to put a job. Yenny this our press and to her emano. busasanu adi 6 months I am winning history. So when you are speaking, you speak anyhow because you think that it is your party. Me catch us, I don't care about your NDC. Ghana is bigger than NDC. I don't care about who NDC no. So over many NDC, I don't care because in NDC ni chiameka. Nti wadwun ye onse me betra hana na anu ye bo MPP achinti ye betra ne ababa ye odiodium ne ye age of Mahama there be ye nyesa. Ye nyesa. Ni pewu eno ma me nkyerɛw nsuo bi reba ye nsu. Jeff pe video no na ne twa picture ne hwɛ the river ye nsu aye. Te say ya shutting it down. Bri mu nyina ya shut it, baby e man nsuo ni nyina ya shut it. Samre na ne ani abra ye ka ho asem no na wo ye NDC ni no na wo bon nsem aye samre no na wo ye NDC ni no Erastus ka na wo bon nsem ema Erastus na multimedia ka na wo de agira mu gina ho ye dede ai na kufa do nwene ye ho galamsey ni de eye existential threat ene nsem hunu sa na wo de ye campaign at that time. Now we NDC ni no ani abre because so sorry anopa ne kekam ne de tia na kufa do ne MPP ne de ye campaign tia na wo NDC no ani age. So what changed? Then you come and tell me as if say na sabi wo kra wo ka asem no, do you even understand sustainability? Bra Facebook na be hwe obi a wo kosa science no bra Facebook be hwe o jini nipa ho ade na moma ye bresa because we NDC ni enti galamsey abaye nka because you expect say yenkobo na kufa do anti na samre na wo ka tro bi so on resign no na wo ka ne sen hwe wo ye nipa be hwe Facebook na be hwe de obi kosa nsuo kwahwe thanks to channel 1 TV hwe nsuo a nipa kosa anom na wo ti wo ka say yen wo ye a wo time according to wo time obi atua wo home o se yen kakra obi ma wo home o se yen kakra because eye wa ban because eye NDC aka kire we dem nka dem meka obi say we ye hwan me say no problem na ekoba say ya NDC mpanyufo no me tumofo mofu soldiers na obia oye voice of conscience ogina mu eka bi sa bre no kumasi ahwan na eka bi eduru ba bi no na NDC fo radio station ben na etimi sorry gina e defend mo na ye Israel FM munti mu NDC fo nti MPP fo ampema asem ya koye emma said the be ya change beba sabre no now sorry radio station ben and TV station ben na wo kumasi a na etimi gina mu kan pepepe e kira ban se enye sabre no o yuji mo ya ade pa na janto mo kan krepa enne ade na dane yebra jo Mahama ne wo so o de galamsey ye campaign muko galamsey site ko ye campaign aye worse things are happening eni pewu bibia nsesaye me ekoka no ma timkrofo se me na me yesi adidi atemkumi anka abeto me NDC from who osre you are funny people